Literally, my breath took away, not just by the wind, which is howling and freezing, but those mountains you can see in the distance that are snow covered is adding to this. But any time of the year, what a magical place. Thousands of compositions and places to stop along the way, which is what we shall be doing when I hear you cry. The Elements Workshop in October, and this is one of the main locations. It's going to be called To See and Seeing, because as we come in on the road, we're going to be stopping at quite a few locations, heading to here for a main day of shooting. Going over to the headland in a moment to look back across this bay and the sea, over to those magnificent mountains in the distance. I'm literally gushing over the fact that I'm stood here. This place, special. So of course I'm making this video as a means to promote this workshop. All the details and information is on my website at maliphotography.co.uk. For this week we'll be covering landscape and nature and expressive photography within many areas. Tomorrow we're heading over to two incredible lochs. So if you're interested in joining me for a week of just breathtaking scenery, good laughs, good food, we've got the all-purpose building over on the Black Isle at the Black Isle Berries farm. Very comfortable with it. We've got a huge community area where we've got the food is provided every night. I have to say, I like my grub. And last time I was here, yeah, I was very impressed. So you're going to get fed well, watered well, and some goodie bags. And within the week, we're going to work on printing your work throughout the locations, picking out the ones you like, your best shots, and creating a final print for you to take away. I'm so excited. The 100 to 400 lens on, shooting out at these peaks, and at the moment we're getting light dancing across the tops. I haven't filmed the past 3/4 of an hour, which is all it's took for us to get from base camp to here. Fog, mist, beautiful light, and I've grabbed a few minimalist shots, but here we are at Loch Marie, one of the big days, a double lock day. In the distance you can see Sleoch, which in my last video from the retreat I got some wonderful shots of this fabulous mountain. Now the picture postcard scene you see in front of you is just the start of inviting you in to this rugged, remote and beautiful landscape. I am a bit speechless, and it's quite hard to tell you exactly what's going on because the light is coming down the sides of the trees like a slither of silver. The islands in the distance have got soft cascading light that's filtering between the rocks above and the birch below. Well, it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from Marie. Wow. We're coming to the end. We're heading over to Loch Clair now to finish off. When it comes to finishing a video, I sometimes forget. But when you're in a place like this, I feel this is a mic drop moment. There's no words to describe what we're seeing. The lights dancing between the Scots pines, reflections and peaks like this. Now when we go over the other side, we're going to get the reflections of these peaks in the water. Every now and again there's a slight ripple, but at the moment it's very calm, very tranquil. The sound of running water and not much else. Oh my God. These are huge monoliths of mountains. So please consider joining me for a week of this, a week of photography with me and Lynn Fraser in our Elements workshop. Excited and proud, and I've worked damn hard to put this together. Not just this past few days, but the other visits, and time just putting effort into getting here with a family, kids, and lots going on. This is the dream. This is what I want to do, and I'd like you to come along with me. So the landing page will be up and ready for you to drop me a message. Let me know if you're interested in coming on the workshop. All the details about how much it will cost, what you get your main food, your packed lunches, and everything will be in an itinerary with details about each location in depth. Throughout the week we will be gathering a lot of photography, and I aim to do a day of preparing that photography into the final process to print, obviously just to get you a feeling of producing something of high quality at the end of it all. That's my goal. That's what I want you to walk away with, one of your images you love in print. Wow, wow. But I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'm done. So join me on the Elements workshop from the 6th to the 12th of October. Very excited indeed. I'm going to leave it here. So just head to the website at maliphotography.co.uk. Join me for a week of wonderful photography in the most beautiful location. Right, well, there's only one thing left to say, and that's Sithee!